everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change the direction after pressing Enter key in Excel. Have you noticed that Excel moves the cursor down to the next row automatically when you press the Enter key after typing data into a cell? But if you want the cursor to go in a different direction, such as to right, left, or up, how could you do it? To change the default direction of the selected cell after pressing Enter key, you can solve it with the following steps. In your workbook, click the File tab and in the pane, click More and select Options. In the popped out Excel Options dialog, click Advanced from the left pane, and in the right section, check after pressing Enter Move Selection option under the Editing Options section. Then click the Direction drop-down list and choose the direction you need. I will select the right direction. Then click the OK to close the dialog. And when you press the Enter key after typing the data next time, the direction of the cursor will be changed to your need, as you can see. It will move to the right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.